Greetings from Kubay Design. My name is Alex, and let's show you how we can make the orange interior leather trim for the new Mercedes 6x6 in U shape. We are now building in Poland, you may know by our previous videos and photos, the new shape 6x6 G-Wagon, and customer wanted to transform his regular G-Wagon's interior, the black with the red trim, it's not very attractive, into the orange one. So we decided to combine the seats and all the other stuff and play a little bit with the leather. So how it looks like. It has the side grips with the soft Napa leather at the sides, and the middle one and the back seat is combined with the diamond-shaped leather. Also, you can see it's perforated and also stitched with the orange thread. The inner pieces on the sides has been stamped with the 7s. You can clearly see and you can feel it with your fingers. As for the door panels, how they look like. So also we decided to trim here with the 7 stamp leather and the diamond shape, the insertion here and there. Few words about the dashboard. So we also equipped with the combined orange leather here and the carpet black at the nether point, and also with the grab handle. Few words about this plastic. I took off the plastic. It's black one, like comes in the original. It's very non-attractive. And here, as it came with the interior from customer, like the carbon fiber with the fake carbon. Maybe it looks normal, but you can see it's not genuine carbon fiber. So we take all this plastic and we'll laminate into the real carbon to satisfy the customer's requirements. So the interior took us for nearly 2 months. A huge work has been done on this interior. We wanted to make it as bright, as colorful, as attractive as it could be, as it should be. We still keep working on the new projects, remanufacturing the old projects, and maybe you are interested in the cooperation with us. Please leave a comment. Maybe you are interested in our previous projects to be remanufactured into something interesting. We hope and keep doing for you, and we pay the high attention to the quality of each product implemented into this or another project. So stay tuned. See you soon.